In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google account password step by step, quickly and safely. This is one of the most important things you can do to keep your account secure, especially if you think your password is weak, if you've reused it on other sites, or if you simply want to update it as part of regular account maintenance. I'll walk you through the entire process on your computer, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to change your password without getting lost along the way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use Chrome for the easiest experience because it works smoothly with your Google account settings, but you can also use another web browser if you prefer. Once Chrome is open, click into the address bar at the top of the screen and type myaccount.google.com, then press enter. This will take you directly to your Google account page, where you can manage your security, privacy, and personal information. If you're not already signed in, Google may ask you to log in first. Go ahead and enter the email address for the account you want to update, then continue with your current sign-in details. Make sure you're choosing the correct account, especially if you have more than one Google account on your computer. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Password. This is the section where Google lets you change your existing password. At this point, Google will ask you to verify your identity before making the change. This is a security step, and it helps make sure that only the real account owner can update the password. Enter your current password in the required field, then click Next or Continue, depending on what you see on your screen. If the password is correct, you'll be moved to the password change form. Now you'll need to enter your new password. Take a moment here to choose something strong and secure. A good password should be unique, difficult for others to guess, and ideally different from passwords you've used before. You can use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it stronger. After typing your new password, enter it again in the Confirm New Password field to make sure both entries match exactly. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and any special characters, because even a small difference can cause the change to fail. Once both password fields are filled in correctly, click the Change Password button. Google will process the update and your account password will be changed right away. After that, your new password becomes the one you'll use the next time you sign in on a device or browser that isn't already logged into your account. If you're changing your Google password because you think someone else may have accessed your account, this is also a good time to review your security settings, recovery email, and connected devices. Changing the password is the most important first step, but checking your account activity can help you stay protected long term. It's also a smart idea to update your password on any devices or apps that rely on your Google login so you don't get locked out later. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Google account password on your computer. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.